Good evening, students. Ninth class first chapter name is a real number. In that, first subtopic is 1.1. Already it was discussed in the previous two videos. Now present second subtopic is 1.2, that is irrational number. In that irrational number we made four things. Already we different four parts. One, they are considered A, B, C, D. A, B, already we discussed in the previous videos. Now it is C and D. These four topics are there. If you complete these two, automatic the irrational number part is going to finish. Let us see. Now what is C actually? C is nothing but we want to discuss about pi. What is this? P-I-E. Pi. Actually what is first point to introduce? How to the introduce pi. See, now I am discussing about Roman number 1. You take one circle. In that circle, this is center of the circle. You make one of the diameter which is passing through the center of the circle. Now in this circle what to do? Find its circumference. Circumference in the sense length of the boundary. It is denoted with the C. I said no, circumference is required. As well as you try to find its diameter also. That is denoted with the D. Mean what happened? You try to find the ratio of circumference of the circle and the diameter. Got it? Just it is about first circle. Similarly, you take second circle, third circle, fourth circle, fifth circle, whatever the circle, either small or big, whatever the circle. Size is not a matter. So same logic, same concept you apply for all circles. That is, every circle you try to find C, divide with D. Nothing but try to find the ratio of C and D. Not only one, every circle. So, the ratio will be always approximately is equal to 3.14 ... In all circles, the ratios will be 3.14 so on. Mean in this 3.14 so on. Generally, you feel that what is this? Is it an repetition? No. Is it an ending movement? No. Ultimately, we can conclude that 3.14 ... is belongs to one of the irrational number. Yes, my topic is irrational number 1. Small logic is, I took one circle, I found the ratio of circumference of the circle and diameter. Through that I got 3.14 ... which is belongs to irrational number. But every circle the situation is as it is only. The result is approximately 3.14 ... which is belongs to irrational. So our mathematician is conclude that every situation they got 3.14 ... approximately. They treated that, very important thing, they treated that C by D is equal to, they conclude that instead of this figure 3.14 ... which is called irrational number, no, they treated this figure is pi. Our mathematician, this figure which is constant, which is called as a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, which is called as a irrational number, they treated as a one symbol, that is a pi. So instead of figure, can I take pi? 100%, no doubt. Now through this what happened, tell me, while doing cross multiplication, C is equal to D into pi. That means C is equal to pi D. Then C is equal to pi, let it be instead of D. This whole is D, no? Now what about this? This is R, this is R. Nothing but D is equal to R plus R. Now d is equal to 2r. Instead of d, you just substitute 2r. That means c is equal to 2 pi r. In these very important things, I notice that is number 1. C is equal to pi d. That means circumference of the circle is pi d when diameter is given. One more formula that C is equal to 2 pi r. It is also circumference of the circle only when radius is given. These two are very, very important. I think any doubt? And one more thing, this is the way of introduce the pi. Now one more important note is that root 10 there, no, root 10, square root of 10. Its value is 3.162 dot dot dot. Sometimes in our convenient purpose, instead of pi we can use approximately, it is equal to root 10. That's why in calculation part, instead of pi we can use sometimes, in case of pi we can use root 10 also, based on the calculation part. So what I am saying that pi value, square root 10 value, those are not exactly same, those are approximately same. This symbol is treated as approximately. I told you no, root 10 answer 3.162 dot dot, pi value 3.14 dot dot, both are looking like very near, approximately near, so that for the calculation purpose sometimes we can use, instead of pi we can use root 10 also. I think got it. Next, okay, right. Next, the second topic, observe. What is second Roman number? Archimedes. What is Archimedes? He is a famous mathematician in our mathematics. He is a famous mathematician from Greek country. He found that pi value, he did not give exactly pi value, did not say pi value, but he gave one message that the pi value is always between 3.140845, 3.142857. Once again, according to Archimedes, pi value is between 3.140845, 3.142857. It is very important. You don't forget that. Next, according to Aryabhatta, is our Indian mathematician. According to Aryabhatta, pi value is approximately up to 4 decimals, 3.1416. Once again, according to Aryabhatta, pi value is 3.1416 up to 4 decimal places. Next, according to Bhaskaracharya, he is our Indian mathematician only. According to his concern, pi value is 3.1255. Once again, according to Bhaskaracharya, pi value is 3.1255. Next, fourth point, observe carefully. By using the modern computers, nothing but speed computers, by using speed computers, the pi value is calculated up to 1.24 trillion decimal places. It is not a simple task. Once again, by using the speed computers or modern computers, the pi value is calculated by using computers, that is 1.24 trillion decimal places. Don't forget that. Fourth completed. What is fifth? Fifth is very clear, that relation of 2 by 22 by 7 and 5. Very carefully observe. 22 by 7, which is called rational. 5, it is already 3.14 dot dot dot. It is irrational. This is rational, this is irrational. Try to understand. Their difference once observe. 22 by 7, once see. 7 3 is a 21, 1 dot 0. 7 1 is a 7, 3 0. 7 4 is a 28, 2 0. 7 2 is a 14, 6 0, like this. we can get answer is 3.142 dot dot dot, which is treated as a it is belongs to NTRD. Once again, the calculation, observe carefully. I did found the value of 22 by 7. The calculation, once go through that, my result is 3.142. Something is there. 3.142. Again, some more digits we can overcome that. But this figure, whatever the result, this is called belongs to non-terminating repeating decimal. So here non-terminating repeating decimal result. Here what is pi value 3.14 dot dot dot, it is irrational. But just to compare both, pi value 3.14, pi value 3.142 something. Both values are maximum nearest to there. Those are very nearest figures, you know. See, 3.14 up to 2 decimal places 1.4 there. 3.14 up to 2 decimal 1.4. Integral whole part, however, 3 there. So both figures are approximately, I want to very clear that 22 by 7 answer is approximately equal to 5. I think carefully observe. What is the relation between, see, I want to discuss that relation between 22 by 7 into 7 by 5. 22 by 7 answer is 3.142 dot dot dot, which is called NTRD. Pi value 3.14 dot dot dot, which is called irrational number. Both figures are approximately very near, approximately equal. So that reason I want to conclude that 22 by 7 answer is approximately equal to 5. Why this relation is important to us? Because when we are doing certain calculations like find the area of the circle, find the circumference of the circle, we can use sometimes instead of 5, we can use 22 by 7 only. Only calculation purpose, instead of 5 we can use sometimes 22 by 7 because of those values are approximately equal. That's why we can use that. And one more important note is that suppose whenever you are finding the area of the circle, circumference of the circle, those results are not fixed answers, perfect answers. Why? Why? Because in that to find the area of the circle, we can use area of the circle formula pi r square. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r. So in this pi there now. Instead of pi we can use 22 by 7 now. Just we are using approximate figure instead of pi. It is not exact figure no. So that reason area of the circle, circumference of the circle is not perfect number, perfect answer. It is very nearest to its answer, exact answer, but not it is exactly result. It is very nearest figure, but not perfect answer. Either area of the circle or area circumference of the circle, whatever that, we cannot find exact answer, but there is a chance to get nearest figure. This is about to correct. Next, one more point I forgot to write over there. That is few more things, few more details. Details of pi. What is that? With star symbols observe. 3.14 there no. Nothing but 14th March. 14th March. See, 14th is date, 14 is date, 3 is nothing but March month. 14th March we can celebrate Pi Day. Carefully, carefully. Our Indian government is announced that is Pi Day. Maybe in 2011 this announcement is came. 2011 I think so. See, Pi Day. 5-day in a sense our government is announced 14th March as a 5-day. But in that particular date, 14th March, one of the famous physics scientist, his name is Albert Einstein. His birthday also on the particular day. These 2 points are very important. Once again, I will remind to you. Our Indian government maybe 2011 announced as a 5-day on the 14th March. On the particular day, physics scientist is named as Albert Einstein. He was born also. I think understood. So this is about 5. Clear now? Any doubt? Okay, right. Okay, right, students. Last topic, that is D. What is the D title? One see. Represent irrationals on the number line. First, let us see about number line. This is line. If you are writing numbers, then it is called a number line. Till 8th class, we represented rationals on the number line. Once again, present is 9th class, no? Till 8th class, we studied about rationals now. Number line is completely filled with rational numbers up to 8th class. Even though on the number line is not fulfilled with the numbers. Why? Because there is a little bit space. Why? Because of to represent some more numbers, few more numbers, which are called as a irrationals. Got it? Number line is not completely filled with a rational. So there is a chance to denote some more values. Those are called as irrationals also. So our topic is represent irrational on the number line. For example, represent root 2 on the number line. On the number line. One see, square root is irrational number only. But he is questioning that represent on the number line. Nothing but through this sentence, this heading, or else through this question, we conclude that number line is not filled with complete irrationals. Sorry, rationals. There is little bit vacant there to fulfill irrational numbers also. That's why this title, this question is available in 9th class. Got it? Now, how to represent root 2 on the number line? Let us see. Process once observe carefully. However, we can go to coordinate geometry. So in that coordinate geometry, this is x complement, it is y complement. Generally we can take here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is what generally coordinate geometry. In that coordinate geometry, we can locate root 2 on the number line. This x dash then, sorry, here x complement here x. On this we can locate root 2 on the number line. See, before representing root 2 on the number line, let us think about this 2. 2 can be written as root 1 whole square plus 1 square. I think got it. 2 I wrote like this, root 1 whole square plus 1 square. Any mistake there in this? Square root cancel, 1 answer, 1 square is 1 answer. 1 plus 1 however 2 only, no? Nothing but this first figure we can denote this one. This is what? Root 1. Second figure we can write like this. This measurement. This is what? 1. This is root 1. Just you make like this one. Join this line. Then what happened? We got one right angle triangle. See carefully. This is square root of 1. This is just 1. Right. Now in this you feel that this is A, this is B, this is C. Carefully observe figure. Here A, here B, here C. Now it is right angle triangle. By using in triangle ABC, right angle at B. By using Pythagoras law. By using Pythagoras law. Now I am writing AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. According to Pythagoras. Now AC square, let it be AB. Already AB we took root 1, no. Square root 1 whole square. BC 1. BC is 1 there, that's why 1 square. Now AC square is equal to how much? Square root cancel 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. Now AC square is equal to 2. Come to the point. Now AC is equal to square root of 2. What happened? I got it. So this measurement tell me square root of 2. Now what to do? Take compass. Do you know compass? Now with the help of this A and C, just to adjust the compass based on this measurement, just you rotate like this. Nothing but you make arc. Like this you make arc. So once again observe carefully my finger. With the help of compass you make like this arc with the measurement of this AC. Now this arc, this is called arc. This can intersect on x-axis at certain place. No, this like this place. This place is called root 2. What happened? Tell me. Square root 2 is represented on the number line. Got it? Next. Students, one more question that represent root 10 on the number line. Just now we discussed about how to represent root 2 on the number line. No? Same as it is, there is one more question that represent root 10 on the number line. So carefully observe. Same. Now 10 here inside figure 10 now. 10 can be written as square root of 9 whole square plus 1 square. Once I want to say 2 there no. 2 we wrote like this. Square root of 1 whole square plus 1 square. If it is 3, how can we write square root of 2 whole square plus 1 square? Observe carefully. If it is 4, tell square root of 3 whole square plus 1 square. If it is 5, square root of 4 whole square plus 1 square. If square root of, suppose 10 there, how to write? Square root of 9 whole square plus 1 square. Last, if it is 12, how to write? Square root of 11 whole square plus 1 whole square. What you observe, tell me. Plus 1 square 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 plus 1 square. Fixed. But here 2 there no. Here just square root 1 square. Here 3 there no. Inside you take 2. Here 4 there no. Inside you take 3. Here 5 there no. Inside you take 4. Here 10 there. Inside take 9. Here 12 there no. Inside you take 11. Nothing but 1 is less than this figure. So based on that I written this. Next I want to draw the diagram. See, this is generally on x-axis we can take root 9. Suppose year to year you feel that root 9 value. Right, root 9 I in a sense. See I am writing here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Root 9 value tell me this is root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3 only, no? Up to here root. Next year 1 square. Nothing but you feel that this is 1. It is 2. So however 1 no. Go to like this. Right. Now just you make like this one. Connect the arc. Now we got right angle triangle. See root 9 there no. This is year to year distance. 1 there no. This measurement. This measurement. So you feel that this is A, this is B, this is C. Now what happened? In triangle ABC, where B is equal to 90 degree. Then by using by Pythagoras law. Tell me, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square don't know, leave it. AB root 9 whole square plus 1 square. Then AC square is equal to square root cancel 9 plus 1 square nothing but 1. AC square is equal to 10. Now AC is equal to square root of 10. I think got it. Clear? Now how to make arc in the figure? See what with me instruments not there. That's why just observe carefully. Take compass as a length of AC. Take AC length. With the help of AC measurement, you make like this one arc. This arc should be cut to the x-axis. This is what generally we can call as arc. Do you know how to draw? Take compass. With the help of AC length, you make like this one arc. This arc can intersect x-axis somewhere. See, it is intersecting this part now. See, I am making one star symbol like this. This is what tell me generally we can feel that root 10. Mean root 10 is a irrational number. We represented little bit work on the number line. Got it? Any doubts? See, students, irrational numbers almost nothing left to discuss. Almost with A, B, C, D. With 4 parts, irrational number work almost completed. I think there is nothing is left to discuss with you. If you have any doubts, you share your doubts in the comment box. And one small request, just you share my videos to someone and you like it my videos and subscribe.